So originally for today, I had plans to go to the skate park and go skate for a bit, but my board is completely like split on the side. I'll get to that in a minute. And I was gonna get a board at ZUMIEZ, but they didn't have any that I actually wanted or the size that I skate. So I thought, why not use one of these boards that I already have laying around and hydro dip it. I've already customized a lot of them before, really enjoy the process. So today I'm going to make a custom deck for myself. I just have to see if there's an 8.25 in there. So that's pretty much what we're gonna do for the beginning of this video, and then tomorrow we're gonna go skate. I have to wait for all of the paint to dry anyway, so let's go ahead and make a really cool skateboard for myself with my logos. Yes, my logos, my brand, and then we will go to the skate park. Also, you can probably hear my dog outside. I feel terrible because I'm inside and he's out there, but whatever. Before I jump into the hydro dipping process, I want to show you how badly my board is split because it's really, really bad. This is all split. Yeah, it's also chipping here, and it's got really bad razor tail here and then chipping there as well. This board's pretty much done with. I've got a collection of all my old boards, so if you want to see a video of all my old boards that I've had in the past few years, I do have them. And I do have one of my original boards that I skated too. So I might actually do that for a video. I don't know, we'll see. Oh no, we have an issue. It's leaking. Means I have to hurry. There's a crack like right there. I don't know how it happened. Probably from me throwing it. I don't know. I'm gonna go grab the spray paint real quick and then do this because I don't have much time, I guess. So I decided to go ahead and go with the blue board because blue is my favorite color, and I figured whenever it gets scratched up, you're gonna be able to see that, so that's gonna look kind of cool. And I want to throw in a little bit of purple, but not too much. We're gonna try to keep this mainly black, gray, and white, so we'll see how that goes. I really hope you guys are gonna like this because I know I'm gonna like it, and I say that because every time I've done this, I've loved them, so hopefully this one also turns out awesome. As always, this is what the end product looks like. I still have to do, obviously, my logo, but I think this works exactly like I wanted it to. I did want to do a like more black and white and gray style look, and I wanted less purple, but I accidentally sprayed purple, so then I was like, well, I guess I'll go ahead and include more purple. Pretty much what happened. So that's pretty much what it looks like. And then we're gonna do the center logo here. Not sure which one I'm gonna do yet, so I'll have to figure out that here in a minute. But this is gonna work exactly like I want it to, and tomorrow we can go skate it, and hopefully it doesn't tear off completely on the first day of skating, so we'll see. Well, it's the next day, and this is the finished look. I think it came out absolutely incredible, but now we need to go put grip tape on it and make this my actual skateboard. So now I'm on the way to ZUMIEZ so I can build the board. I would just build it at home, but I need grip tape and I don't have any here, so I've got to run up there anyway to pick some up. And after that, we're going to go skate at the skateboard. It is so incredibly hot outside that I don't even want to go skate anymore, but I'm going to because I love you guys. We made it to ZUMIEZ, obviously. Now I'm just getting everything I need out of the car so I can go build the new board. Kind of excited about it. I'm just glad to have a new board. I really don't want to wear a mask right now, but since we're going inside and because of COVID, kind of have to. My hands are full.
should stop talking. Oh yeah, I need a hammer too. I need help. It's like 90 something degrees and I'm sweating already in my car. My car also doesn't have AC. So I figured I am going to just wait until probably later tonight when it is actually cool. Because at night in Texas, it gets actually cold. So I think that's what I'm gonna do. I don't wanna wear myself out in this heat and not skate like the next few days or so. But I really hope you enjoyed me building that board, because tomorrow I'm gonna go back to ZUMIEZ again. We're gonna buy the cheapest parts to build our own complete, and that might be a giveaway board. I would shout out the person that gave me the idea, but I don't remember your name, so I'll go ahead and include it down here at the bottom somewhere. So thank you for the idea. That's 100% on you. And we might use it as a giveaway board for October 31st. I'm not sure yet. I will let all of you decide which boards we will give away, or which deck we'll give away, because I've got 3 or 4 of them now that we can do that with. Anyway, I'm gonna go home for a bit, relax, cool off, and then tonight we'll go skate. See you in a bit.
Eventually.
It is time. We're at the skate park. It's a little bit busy, so I don't want to start filming right away. I think we're gonna get warmed up like usual, and then hopefully the park clears out a little bit. I'm here with Addison again. He's going to be my fellow skater. We'll skate for him for a while, and then hop on the camera, record a few clips. But let's just go have some fun like usual. No!
That was it, dude.
I would have died though. That would have been it.
Yep.
bad.
One eternity later.
I'm gonna give it 3 more tries. If I can't get a dolphin flip in 3 tries, I'm gonna try something else. Take a break for a bit. I was trying a front foot impossible, but that didn't work out. I got really close, but not quite there yet, so took a break on that one too. We'll come back eventually, but probably not gonna land the front foot impossible tonight. But at least, hopefully, we can try the dolphin flip. Again, 3 more tries, and then I'm gonna call it, and then we'll move on to something else. I lost it at the bottom. Like I said, I'm calling it for now. Probably gonna play a game of skate with Addison, see how that goes. And we might try this again another night. I'm very close, but still got a long ways to go, and I'm tired. So we're just gonna call it for now, and hopefully next time we're out here, we can officially call them a land. Everyone's skating this here box, so I think that's what I'm gonna be filming. Everybody's over there, so. Also I have a hole in my pants, so I might not be skating that much, but regardless, we're gonna try to film the box. Maybe. I am so tired and worn out and exhausted, and I feel gross, I look gross, I'm sweaty, I'm ready to go home. We broke in the board just a little bit. It's got a couple of scratches there, so that's awesome. Still looks great. Really happy how this board turned out. It feels a little bit weird compared to the board I was skating on, and again, that one was pretty much just done for and very flat feeling. So this one, it's gonna take me a little bit to get used to. Regardless, I really want to come back and land the dolphin flip up that little ramp and the front foot impossible. I still have yet to land the front foot impossible, so that's going to be a new trick in the future. I've been working on it for probably like 2 years now, and I still haven't landed it. Also, I tore my pants, don't know how that happened, so if you saw my butt in that video, I do apologize. It probably got ripped whenever I fell somewhere, or I don't know. These pants were kind of uncomfortable the whole night, and I felt like I wasn't as free as I usually am, so we'll get new pants, we'll come back again. I really enjoyed skating tonight, it was a blast. I really hope you enjoyed this whole video. Again, nothing crazy happened, but I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you enjoy the content that I make. Anyway, that's it for tonight. Y'all stay awesome. I'll see you on the next one. Later, guys.